It's a low-budget movie, but the script is solid. My director dropped out, and I need somebody who's smart, ambitious, and not addicted to meth.
Well, I am smart and ambitious.
Seriously.
No, I'm clean. You know, Russo Brothers is famous. See the bar over there? Great writers like Hemingway and Faulkner right there. Hey, and where that guy who wrote Porky's Drink? Oh, man, that broad rib that gets cranked through the hole? Where do they get their ideas? You're a writer, you tell me.
Oh, boy, this is great. All that searching, that emptiness of it. I think I finally found my life's purpose.
You know, Brian, I've always wanted Brian to be a little happy and still there, but I guess that's why I'm not working out.
Casey, put it away. Put it away.